Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. And here comes my favorite one. He says, Malik Yawmiddin. He says, Malik Yawmiddin. My brothers, he says that he is the king of that day, the day of judgment. The king. The king of the day when the world will be running around frantically. He's the king of the day when even the prophets and the messengers and the shuhada will be scared. He's the king. He's the master of that day, my brothers, when every single living thing will come to an end. When Allah Azza wa Jal, He calls for the day, and every single human being on the face of the planet will come to an end, and every single jinn will come to an end, and every single animal will come to an end, and every bird in the sky will fall to the ground. The day when everything will be destroyed. The day when even the angels will come to an end. Picture this day, my brother. Picture this day that we live every single day and yallah, no fear. No fear of this day. You know, Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam, he comes down to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He says to me, Ya Muhammad, عيش ما شئت فإنك ميت. You know, I always think and I ponder about this. Jibreel, the chosen one of the angels, he's having a conversation with the chosen one of the prophets. And he's talking to him, you know. He says to me, Ya Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he says to me, عيش ما شئت. O Prophet of Allah, live for as long as you want, for verily you are dead. There will come a day when you have to die. He says to me, O Prophet of Allah, love whoever you want. Love, go, fall in love, cling on to this person and hang on to this person. He says, for verily there will come a day when the both of you will have to part. He says to me, O Prophet of Allah, do as you please. And this is us, my brothers. We're doing as we please. We're living in this dunya. We're running amok. We're running amok. Only God can judge me, brother. Saying, brother, yarta, only God can judge me. Did you work that out yourself or did someone give you a hand, bro? He says, only God can judge me. Well, you're right, brother. God is going to judge. Jibreel is saying to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he says to him, do as you please, go, do as you please. For there is coming a day where for every single action, you will be held responsible and accountable. The day, my brother, when every single thing will come to an end. And everything will be destroyed. Every government will collapse. Every ruler will fall. Every nation will fall. Every human being will fall. Every animal will fall. Even the angels will fall. And then Allah Azza wa Jal will call. Allah Azza wa Jal will call out. أين الجبابرة؟ أين الجبابرة؟ أين أبناء الجبابرة؟ Where are those tyrants? Where are those tyrants? Where are the sons of those tyrants? He says, أين الملوك؟ أين أبناء الملوك? He says, where are those kings? Where are the sons of those kings? He says, أين الذين عاشوا في خيري وعبدوا غيري? Where are those that lived in my bounties? They lived in those that I gave. I gave them. I gave them. And they worshipped other than me. Where are they? Where are they? He says, لمن ملك اليوم? Who is the king of this day? He says, who is the king of this day? Allah Azza wa Jal is the king of that day, my brother. So when we say Maliki Yawm al-Din, understand what you're saying, my brother. This is Allah. This is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. This is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim.